Hello students, today we'll see status register. Status registers are from SFR, special function register. Status register is 8 bit. From 8 bit only 5 bits are useful and the rest of the 3 bits are unused. That's why it's indicated by U0, U0 and U0, and the 5 bits are carry, digital carry, 0, overflow and negative. The first bit is here carry flag. It is indicated by C. It is write, we can write or read the status of this bit. We can write the status like a clear and set. We can read like what is the status of this flag. Mostly these 5 bits are called as a flags. So first is carry flag. Carry flag, when the carry is generated, that time this bit will set. During this instruction, ADDWF, ADDLWs, subtractions, SBLW, SUBWF, these instructions are associated with the WREG register and your file registers. If this bit is 1, then carry out from the most significant of the result occur. If it is 0, then no carry out from the most significant bit of the results occur. When the carry generated, this bit goes high. That means it set the flag, this carry flag. Here I given one example of addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. This will set your carry flag. This bit is set, and this set bit will use for the further arithmetic operation, and this result will be stored in any memory location. If the borrow is generated, that borrow also used as a set or reset of this carry flag. If the borrow is generated from the most significant bit, this bit will be high, otherwise it is low. Then digital carry will come. In digital carry, when carry is generated from the 4th lower order bit of the results, then this digital carry will be 1. If there is no carry out from the 4th low order bit of the result, then it is 0. The same instruction they are used. Same instructions are related with the addition as well as subtraction. The same, if the borrow is generated from the 4th lower bits, then also it is high, otherwise it is low. The 1 plus 1 is 0. Here 1 plus 1 is, the carry is added 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. The carry generated during this 4th bit, addition of this 4th bit, carry generated, and that carry is going to add into the 5th digits. That carry is called as a digital carry. The same thing in subtraction also, same. Now the zeroth flag, when any arithmetic operation the output is 0, that time this flag will be high. The 0 bit, the result of arithmetic or logic operation is 0. The result of arithmetic or logic operation is not 0. If it is 1, arithmetic operation, when you are doing any subtraction, then the answer is a 0. That time it will it generates the flag will set, and otherwise if the result is there, it is non-zero, then it will 0. In logical operation, when you are doing and 0 into 1 is, what is the answer? It is 0. So this flag will be 0 or clear flag. If it is or 1 plus 1 with or 1, then addition is 1, then the 0 flag will be 0. If the 0 or with a 0, then this 0th flag will be 1. Then overflow flag, this OV is overflow flag. It is also readable and writable. Overflow flag, when you are doing some counting like 0 to 10, the microcontroller start counting from 0 to 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When it reach to a 10, it will reset that count and raise this flag. This overflow flag will raise. That indicates that overflow is happening. The overflow bit. This bit is used for a sign arithmetic 2's complement. It indicates an overflow of 7th bit magnitude, which calls the sign bit to change the state. The 1 indicates the overflow occurs for the sign arithmetic. 0, no overflow occurs. Then comes negative flag. Negative flag, when the answer, the subtraction answer is negative, then this will set this flag, negative flag. This bit is used for sign arithmetic, indicates that whether the result of ALU operation was negative, that is MSB is 1. If the result was negative, then 1. If the result was positive, then 0. So students, these status registers are bit addressable. It is write or read. We can set or we can clear by giving some condition. We can observe these flags. We can modify these flags. So that's why it's called as a bit addressable. The single bit we can use in instruction for set and clear. Thank you students.